Normally it's just me and the dogs camping in the Prius, but someone gave us this camper for free. It didn't quite look like this to start. We had to fix it up, but we are going to take the whole family camping in it to test it out. This is what the camper looked like when it was given to us. As you can see, it was quite a mess. And before I could even get a video of what it looked like, Andy, my husband, had torn it apart and started working on it. Once it was gutted and the leaky roof was fixed, we put up ceiling panels. Next step was putting in the flooring. We found these on sale at Lowe's, and I honestly love this color. After a successful day of labor, we figured we deserved a little downtime. Turns out, a camper is a great place to hide from your kids. Cheers! The camper's coming along. We've gotten some walls up, the ceiling up, the floor done, a bed frame done, and now we are going to be working on the kitchen area. We've already purchased a refrigerator and went ahead and bought a fairly inexpensive storm fridge cabinet. It's going to need a little modifications and adding onto it, but it's a good foundation for us to start with. So with a little sanding, a little cutting, and a little help from Zane, we were able to get the kitchen fridge cabinet installed. Next was painting. This took a while. I got a few visitors, but no helpers. But in the end, I think it turned out okay. Before we get busy loading our gear in here, I just want to show you guys what it looks like while it's clean and some of the little renovation things that we did to it. So we're going to start off on this end over here. This is a queen size mattress that I got for free off a marketplace. So we have our mattress here. Underneath it, this is a bed frame we just got off of Amazon. The cheapest metal frame we could find that would fit. It is literally the perfect size from end to end. We have a ton of storage boxes underneath that we're going to fill up with our clothing and food. I got this little slide out from Amazon. Fits perfectly next to the bed for extra storage. This white part here is the original dorm fridge unit, and we got these little bins from a craft store. That's where I keep all of our cookware and plates. And this one's actually just hiding the water pump, but I do have some hidden things in there. Fridge. We did buy this butcher block from Lowe's, so some of the work I did, and I'm proud of, even though it is quite unattractive, is this piece of wood and the framing on the inside to add on to the dorm fridge and support this block as well as the sink. That was all me. But extra storage down here, mostly just cleaning supplies. This camper can have electricity running to it, so we did purchase a generator for when we are off grid. We do have an air conditioner. It has running water. We turn it on with this little switch right here. I have my coffee pot. And for cooking, you'll notice there's no stovetop, but we did invest in a induction stove, which is on top of the refrigerator here. I just stored in its box because I figured it'd be a little safer there. So we can use that for cooking in the camper, although our intention is always to cook outside, either on the grill, the fireplace, or we have a camp stove, because the whole point of camping is to be outdoors, not inside. So over here, if you climb up, I have more little storage boxes here just to put random things in. This entire area, so this camper is a hybrid. It has the back end here pops out, and that's a whole nother cubby area for someone to sleep. So we have a full-size mattress topper that we're using, and it's shoved right here, so it's kind of blocking the view of everything, but that's going to go on top of that so someone can sleep there, and these curtains will give them a little bit of privacy. This is a futon couch, which was another free score off of Marketplace. There's 4 of us in our family, 2 adults and 2 teenagers. So the 2 adults in the bed over on the end, 1 teen here, one teen in the back. So that's going to be the sleeping, and of course our 2 dogs can sleep wherever they want. And for the kids' clothes and extra things, shoes, whatever, we actually have storage bins right under here, under the couch, and they can stay there. We made this little box. It needs to be painted and finished, so it's a little rough looking. But it opens up and we can store more things in here, like our camping stove, our 2-burner camp stove, all of our bug spray, our lights, games, just whatever. It's 2 deep little pockets. How stinking cute is this mushroom storage bin? I have no idea what's gonna go in it, but it's extra storage and I absolutely love the way it looks in here. So I know we made some choices with this camper that a lot of people wouldn't make, and number 1 is, you probably noticed, there's no bathroom. This camper did come with a private bathroom shower. It was really tiny, kind of nasty looking, and in the end we just didn't want to deal with all the black water. It's only a 21-foot camper. That's really tiny living space for 4 people and 2 dogs. And you're gonna hear everything everybody's doing in the bathroom, and what's more, you're gonna smell everything everyone's doing in the bathroom. Most of the time we're gonna be staying at campgrounds with shower and bathroom facilities, so I'm honestly not too worried about not having a bathroom. With all my car camping experience, I feel pretty confident that we'll be all right without a bathroom and a shower inside the camper. We do have one of those bag showers and the big portable pop-up that we could take showers in, and we could also set a little camp toilet up in there for privacy outside of the camper. So that was just a win-win for me. I really didn't want to be inside here with other people doing their business. It's just too close. It's too close. I don't like it. Buddy, are you excited to try the camper? Are you gonna miss the Prius? A little bit?
Brick by brick we build the place. Memories in every space.
We are at Fairy Stone State Park in Virginia, and we're doing things a little different this time. First time with the camper. Evelyn, what are you most excited about?
S'mores. I was really excited about flying my drone because that was going to be fun. It's a little windy, so it has to work hard. The trim is weird because of the wind. I'm also excited that Kobe and Levi are here, not just Levi.
Don't look at me.
Hey, Kobe.
Don't look at me.
He just doesn't hear. Hey, Andy.
Yeah.
What are you most excited about?
Going to sleep.
Nice. Tree hugger. Yeah, baby.
No!
Watch out.
Oh, you have another one. I forgot.
All 3.
Am I a distraction? Does that count? You ring me? Loosened it for you. All right, Evelyn, let's see it. Let's see your muscles first. Flex for me. Oh, yeah.
Oh, dang it.
Yeah, you suck too.
Oh,
Woo! Yay! Going this way.
Hey!
Cool! Look at that. So the overhead axing. That's the way to do it.
Burrito time.
Look how nice my burrito turned out.
Yeah. Yum.
Get your burrito.
He's so cute.
Okay. For Kobe.
Want a bite?
He said you know it. How is it? Yeah, you.
What?
I said, how is it?
I don't want.
Of course.
We
Yeah,
can
so you can do that.
watch movies on my phone.
Can we? Nice. We were just talking about the disappointment of the projector not working.
I was just talking about how fat you are in the morning, shaking the whole camper.
You guys did the same thing.
Well, I was in there the whole time.
Yeah, because you were sleeping, then you got up, and I was laying there, and you started moving. I was like, "Oh, Evelyn's up," because the whole camper's shaking.
Not as much as when you stand up.
Well, I got 100 pounds on me. Yeah.
On Little Mountain Trail, and we are going to the Fairy Stone hunting site.
You coming down anytime soon? Are you gonna jump backwards and hope you don't die?
Hey.
All right, how's it going?
Going good. I got some.
Oop, good save. Fairy
Those.
stones. Oh, that's like a cross one. You got some X's and
I like this one a lot.
hold it up and show it. Wait, I can't.
Can you see it?
Oh, there it is. Yep, nice little X. I like them.
Mhm.
Very cool.
Very cool.
Very cool. That's right. It started raining.
What's going on?
You're like the only person who's breathing soak. Let's see. Try Zane. Nothing. Evelyn? Andy? What's happening? Why is it just you?
You guys aren't as hot as I am.
Guess not. It's a little up close
Sad.
in your face.
I'm not even by the fire.
Zane looks sad. Wow. Adorable. Overall, I'd say camping in the camper went really well. I didn't feel like we were lacking anything. We had plenty of storage. Not having a bathroom in a camper was, as expected, a non-issue. We just used the facilities at the state park and that worked out fine. It was really nice to have the whole family together and to be able to move around, stretch out, stand up. I'm not giving up on Prius camping anytime soon, but I definitely foresee more family camp trips with the camper in the future. Speaking of Prius camping, I finally got time off of work to where I planned a solo camp trip down to South Carolina. I'm gonna take the 2 dogs with me and I'm excited because I'm trying a new sleeping setup for car camping in the Prius. So pretty excited about that. Hope you'll be able to join me again next week.
I really liked it. It was fun with the camper.
Anything favorites? Anything stand out?
I liked our hike to the Fairy Stone hunting site.
Yeah, me too.
I also like the hike to Ferrystone hunt site. Kobe, would you like best? Okay, he's still thinking about it. Zane?
I liked watching the movie in the camper. What?
Alright. Andy,
But
what'd you like best?
I don't know, fire. Fire.
As always, thanks for watching.